Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin now with the essentials: a telescoping pole and a fine mesh leaf net. Attach pole, stand at shallow end, and position the net blade slightly angled down. You pull slowly toward you to gather surface debris, not to stir the water. This traps leaves in the net instead of chasing them around. Once done with a straight sweep, give the net a quick lift and tap to settle contents before transferring to a bucket. This prevents splashing debris back into the pool. You now move into the detailed middle steps. Walk the perimeter to remove floating material collecting at walls and return jets. Then set up parallel lanes across the pool and sweep in overlapping passes. This ensures no patch is missed. Use slow, consistent strokes. Jerky motion stirs sediments up and makes the job longer. When the net reaches about half full, empty it to keep weight manageable and maintain control. Make sure to check skimmer baskets and clean them after larger pickups. You finish by directing loose debris toward the skimmer and doing a final pass over the entire surface so the filtration system can catch the last bits. Inspect your filter pressure gauge and run the pump if circulation looks low. Good flow prevents new surface buildup. Rinse the net and pole, let them dry in shade to avoid UV damage, and store them safely. If the water remains cloudy afterward, backwash or clean the filter and verify pump flow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.